Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's Eleonora here. Today I will demonstrate how I'm performing a simple venipuncture treatment or how I'm taking a blood from customer's left arm. But I will do that with the help of a device which I'm holding called HelloVen Finder, and I've been really happy using it for the last few weeks. It really has helped me, especially when I take blood from customers that I cannot really see the vein. And I think this is a major problem of many people that have been in this industry and performed a phlebotomy. It's very helpful using this device. So let me now show you a little bit more about the device. It's a HelloVen Light 2.0 vein finder, which is a near-infrared device that is very easy to show veins on the surface of the skin. So even if you don't see them, you can actually perform the treatment. So it's extremely useful and helpful. So it's really user-friendly. It has LED screen, very easy to use, and permanently aligned and no collaboration. It's easy to operate even for the first time. Look, I'm just going to switch it on, and it's on now. Yeah, and we can see our screen. We have different colors, so the colors we can change. See that distance shows us probably the most correct way of where the veins are. So we can see that there is one big one here, which actually I'm going to take blood in a minute from. Shows us the depth of the veins, so how deep the veins are. It has 3 different modes: enhanced, deep and normal. 6 different colors: green, background green, red, purple, background purple and bright white. And it has the size of the actual image. So you can really see that basically this is where her veins are. I would say you have to hold it with this distance from the actual area to really see, so you can see the exact size of the veins. So this is where exactly her veins are. You know, it's good for all areas like antecubital vein, hand, wrist, arm, leg, foot and ankle. So we can, you know, just use it on all areas of the body. We also have some modes. So we have the enhanced mode, clearly highlight veins in red and green so we can see them, making them easy to spot and ensuring that they are clearly visible. And then we also have a different depth, deep, medium and surface. So I'll show you other areas. So look now on the face, and just a little bit like that. We can also see, okay, so we can really see the vascularization here and where are the main veins. Just change the color so we can have a look. Really, we have to be careful with that area when we perform some treatment. So, you know, you can check with that where exactly the capillaries are, the veins are. So just to avoid them, there are some big ones here on the side. So yeah, it's definitely very helpful. So we can see perfectly. If I remove, we can clearly see where the veins are, obviously, but look with the device, I mean, it outlines them exactly where they are. So even if they are not visible and they are a bit deeper, you'll still be able to help yourself just with this device. Lovely. Take my needle, quickly screw this. So I'm ready to, you know, insert, and I'm literally ready to take blood. I've got this, my tape, so I can immediately, I'm just gonna put here, immediately place on her arm, and that's it. Really, everything is here. So I just need to take quickly blood from her, and I can help myself with the vein finder. So let me just show you now. I will use a small pen. Okay, we can really see. Look at that, it's so good. I'm gonna change the color, guys. Look at that, it's so easy to see. The big one is just here. Yeah, it's just here. So what I would usually do, let me show you quickly. In case you don't have the stand, usually if you have the stand, you just can pinch this vein here and that's it, you know, take blood 100%. But if I don't, what I'm going to do is just quickly do that. Okay, are you okay? Yeah. That's it. Where it is, I can mark. I can just touch. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Nice. And we can see. Done. There you go. We have the blood. Okay, so I'll just just wipe. So, okay. So I'm starting with the PRP treatment. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. How is it? Perfect. Last two. So thank you so much for watching. I'm really excited that I showed you the device, and I hope that I'll help other people. I'm gonna put some link in the description below if you're interested in purchasing that device for yourself, because it's really useful and it can actually make your life much easier. So if you have any questions related to that video and the device, or if you have used it before, please comment at the section below. I'll get back to you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. I hope I'll see you in my next video. Please, if you like videos like that, can you subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.